Every Chinese New Year, one of the Chinese descendants will eat something malalagkit. So, food may malalagkit. So, one of that is tikoy. Every Chinese New Year na ako baton, no? Kakain ako ng tikoy. I've been tasting different variant of tikoy, pero ito, masarap din. I bought this from Save More. Ang tikoy, favorite din to ng papa ko. Taste it. So, ayan. Ito siya. Um, may cube siya. 6 pieces cube. So, in one pack. Tara! Let's taste. The original takeaway is no palaman. So, yung bagong takeaway is maraming mga flavors. Ito is ubi. Yung original takeaway talaga is peanut yung toppings. Walang palaman sa ilalim. Available to siya so at any mall. So, pwede siya Desano, Save More. Any malls to siya pwede mapalit. Mami siya. So, isang cube nito, mabubusog talaga ako. So, if you want to buy, just visit at any malls available at Jansing, Ubitiko. Bye.